But then I said Kathak, then you know how people around you, they try to make fun of you. Are you mad? Kathak is for women and only gay boys, they go for Kathak and all. So I got very scared. Oh my God, if I go and learn Kathak, then all the girls will think I'm gay.
Hi guys, my name is Kaval Sethi and you are watching Celebrity Talks with Kaval.
It's a great pleasure for me to introduce today's guest, Himanshu Ashok Malhotra.
Daniel Jarvis, Sharhan Singh, Udit Saxena, Sadia Ali, Ricky Today's guest is a very famous YouTuber, choreographer with 14 lakh subscribers who is known around the world for his amazing Bollywood as well as Kathak moves. Please welcome Devesh Mirchandani. Hi Devesh, how are you doing?
Hi Kaval, I'm fine. How are you?
All well. I've been following you on YouTube and Instagram from last 6 months, and and I think my team and me myself was trying to reach you from last 3-4 weeks, and it's been so difficult to schedule this interview. And thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. And I know you're not feeling well, and still you're there. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. And I always like to talk to new people, people who are passionate. Yes, I have been unwell because I don't know, the weather of Mumbai suddenly changed and it was raining last week for some unknown reason. And usually I am a sinus patient. So very rarely my sinus gets activated. But once it gets activated, it's very bad for me.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm able to talk today. I'm able to at least talk properly, but till yesterday, day before yesterday, I was not able to talk. So I'm glad that we're having a meeting today. It's a perfect timing.
Yes. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you're fine, and our interview is planned for today, not for yesterday. So thank God for that. Anyways, I know that I'm not a trained dancer, okay, but I love dancing a lot. But of course, not like your dance. But since I've started watching your videos, I felt like you have I've learned so many dance steps because of you, because you have made it so easy for, I think, for everybody. It's really nice the way you teach.
Thank you. I don't know what to say. So when people appreciate me, I really don't know what to say. So thanks a lot.
At what age you have started dancing?
I started dancing at a very young age. I think from childhood only I was dancing. But I now when I think back, I used to listen to music and I used to choreograph. I didn't know what was choreography, or when the songs are coming, dance steps, I can see, I can visualize a lot of things. Now, when I sometimes think, because you have the memory of all these things. Now I know
True.
that how I used to listen to music and I used to, think of locations and movements and all of these things. So I think this was inborn. I was supposed to become a dancer. I was very good in academics. I could have become a journalist. I could have become a writer or something. But I think I was meant to be a dancer. So I started at a
Wow.
very young age, but professionally, because my mother is especially she noticed that I have this dance talent, and she put me into dance classes at the age of 15. But before that only, I was teaching dance to kids at the age of 13. Whatever I know
Wow.
from the movie Bollywood songs, is to copy those songs and teach it to the kids. So I used to kind of make money from the age of 13.
Amazing. So, like, any of your family member are into dancing?
Nobody is into dance music, nothing. My dad used to play tabla in the temples and gurudwaras. He was a very good tabla player, but he couldn't pursue it
Oh,
because he was also working. So he left his passion. But he was, whenever he used to come to India, he used to live abroad in
okay.
different countries. But when he used to come to India for 1 month, 2 months, he used to play tabla in gurudwara. So I have listened
Wow.
to, I have, because my dad's chachas and uncles, they used to sing in gurudwaras. We are Sindhi family, so we go to Gurudwara a lot and we do Mata Ki Chauki and all of that. So I used to sit down and I used to listen to that and I used to enjoy it. But I never
Wow.
thought that I have, I could become a dancer. I'm not a singer or a musician, but I understand music and singing so well. It's just there inside.
Wow, amazing. I think you are, you are into Kathak as well, right? Like you have done so many Kathak performances as well, since I've been following you for a long time now. So, like still, the best Kathak dance teachers are male. But why is it still, still people think that, you know, this is so much feminine and all the stuff. What is your thinking about this?
Yeah, even when I wanted to learn Kathak, I was not sure if people will accept it and how my family will react and friends, especially because you have peer pressure. And I was already 22 years old. I was
Hmm.
already learning jazz, contemporary, and all of that, and I was doing well in that. I was working and assisting in reality shows on TV. But then I said Kathak, then you know how people around you, they try to make fun of you. Are you mad? Kathak is for women and only gay boys, they'll go for Kathak and all. So I got very scared. Oh my God, if I go and learn Kathak, then all the girls will think I'm gay. And because it has this feminine thing attached to it. But actually, when I went to the Kathak class and I started learning, I realized that it is also very masculine because Kathak there are two parts. There's Lasya and there's Tandav, and both you should know. You should have that grace also, and you should have that strength of Kathak. And I just did not understand why people don't see this. So when I used to go to a
Exactly.
dance, yeah, I used to go to a dance class. There were 110, 105 students. I was only male student. Everybody were girls and kids. Even the small kids were girls. So I used to feel little awkward. But then after a point, I said I'm not going to. But now when I go and see Kathak classes and I see workshops, there are so many boys doing Kathak, which is amazing. And of course, the greatest guru of Kathak is Pandit Biju Maharaj Ji, who is a man himself.
Yeah, that's what. You know, I have seen the Dilbar dance video. You know how difficult it is to dance with heels and without them. You know.
Again, it is putting your your reputation at risk to wear a heel and dance. Again, people start judging you. But I have crossed that stage where people, let them think whatever they want to think, let them follow me, don't follow me, I don't care. I've reached a point where I'm only dancing for myself. So dancing on heels, when I decided, okay, let me do that, I had done one song, Chori Chori Chupke Chupke, with two girls. But then later, when I did Dilbar, I said, no, this song was my childhood favorite song. Alka Yagnik had sung that song, and Alka Yagnik is my favorite
Yeah.
singer. So the original song has been my childhood favorite. So itna I was mad behind that song, as Shushmita said. So when this remake came, I said, you know what, I am going to wear heels and dance. I don't care. And I had got these Chinese fans from Taiwan, and I just used it, and I wore heels and I danced, and everybody loved it. That video on YouTube has gone in some millions. I don't know, 4, 5 millions.
Yeah, that's what, it's beautiful, in fact. And it's not easy, actually, you know. I think it's very easy for people to judge, but you know, when it comes to your own self, I mean, you know, it's not a cup of tea for everybody. And not
Actually, I
everybody
also
can.
thought कि it's not that difficult. Yeah, big deal. हम लोग तो वैसे भी we wear jazz shoes. मैं also there are heels and all.
Yeah.
But when I actually wore heels and I was walk so shaky. I said, my God, how these girls can wear heel the whole day and they are out.
Yes.
I
Trust me, I
wore
wear 4 to 5 inch every day, you know, because I was like,
wow, hats off to you. I in the video in the end, if you see, I have removed the heels. I said I can't take it. My back
yeah.
started hurting, and your calf muscle hurts. You know when you're wearing heels.
I think we get used to it with time, so that's the reason, you know.
Yeah.
That's why heels are like more of for us.
That's why I never wore heels again after Dilbar.
Amazing. You know, I remember watching you on Dil Se Nache India Wale, you know, sharing the stage with some of the biggest celebrities of, you know, of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan. So what was your experience like?
First of all, I didn't want to do that show because again, I was not sure how people. I thought they were trying to call me on the show to make fun of me, you know, because I'm dancing Choli Ke Piche. So I thought because that show did not look like a very serious dance show. That show was actually for that movie ka promotion. The
Yeah, yeah.
वो Happy New Year एक movie आ रही थी.
Happy New Year.
तो
Yeah.
उसके promotion के लिए they started this reality show which was only for a month or something. I don't know. So I thought because there were a lot of funny performers coming. तो मुझे लगा they are making fun of me. So I first of all I went for the meeting and all. Then I got little worried. But then when I realized that they really want me and they really respect my Choli Ki Piche video that they saw, and the creative head, she was saying, my God, how can you be so graceful and so beautiful, blah, 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 blah. And the best thing is they told me, don't change your choreography. Whatever your choreography is there, you will do the exact same thing on stage. So I was very
Okay.
happy. Then I went on stage and then they gave me a lot of respect. Shah Rukh Khan sir came on stage. He danced with us. Deepika ma'am, she stood up. She started clapping for us. She's in
Yeah.
fact said that, you know, she can't judge us. Only Madhuri Dixit can judge us. Then certain things they cut also. Later, Deepika Padukone also came on stage. Everybody came on stage. And Deepika spoke to me. That was the first time I ever spoke to her. And she told me, what do you eat, yaar? How can you dance like that? So I didn't know what
You
to
know,
say. I was so starstruck. I was just looking at this tall girl. and I did not reply. I looked like a fool because she was asking me questions, and I just looked at her like an idiot.
Obviously, now you'll be much more confident because it's now for you it's like a daily thing. So, what's any special memory you want to share with us from that show?
Yeah, it was very nice because Shahrukh sir himself 2-3 times appreciated us, and you come to know when people are genuine, and
True.
Shahrukh sir also, when he hugs you, he gives you a kiss on the cheek, whether you're a man or that's his love for the artist. And even Deepika. So the most memorable thing was this, that uh, we were the only contestants sent by flight from Mumbai to Indore, and we were giving auditions through Indore. Like we were going as we are from Indore, because when the Mumbai thing was happening, I was not free. So we were the only contestants. Rest everybody was sent by train. So that is the best thing. And when we reached Indore, everybody gave us this dirty negative vibes, that how dare you all come by flight and
The
we cannot.
VIPs. Oh, very nice. Now, since we are talking about Madhuri Dixit, so I think you are there on her app, right? Dance with the Madhuri app, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when can we see you both together working?
I have told them a couple of times, but I don't know how it's going to happen, how it works. Actually, my other problem is that I don't keep running behind people. Please give me this chance. Please give me this chance. I am a very shy person. Agar meko chance mila, then I take it. Otherwise, but I have met her, and surprisingly, when I met her, she knew my name. So that was a very big thing for me. She said, "Hi,
Wow.
Devesh, how are you?" So when an artist like Madhuri, whom you idolize, whom you like look up
Exactly.
to, she looks at you and she says, "Hi, Devesh, how are you?" That means a lot to me. So I don't know. Maybe one day will come when I will do some steps with her.
Yeah, I'm sure we are waiting for that day. Devesh, I know you have a lot of fans around the world, So there's a
Hmm.
question from a fan. Okay, so what do you think once required for a successful dancer? What do you think for one requires to be a successful dancer?
So first of all, to be a dancer itself, there are no shortcuts. You have to do riyaz. You have to be very honest, and your practice has to be so strong. For that, you have to every day do. You can't cheat. Ki today I will not do, tomorrow I will not do, or once or twice a week karenge. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to do it every day, and you have to be honest to your art. And also you have to respect. Like for example, for like I respect Kathak a lot. I never misuse Kathak. I don't take shortcuts and go on reality shows and try to do Bollywood songs, pick Kathaks and all of that. I don't take that shortcut. That's why I don't get those opportunities only. But wherever I've reached today, whatever little name I have, it is all because of my dedication towards my art. So you have to be a dedicated person. You have to practice regularly and also never give up. It's very easy to give up. And nowadays, especially with all this social media, where you see some people who are such bad dancers, but all they dress up well, go to nice location, they have so many Insta followers, and
True.
you have put all your life into this training, and when you are dancing, your videos don't have that much views, and somebody else's video, which is rubbish, has so much views. So you can't be disheartened. So you have to just have confidence in your own self. So confidence, dedication, and hard work.
Wow, lovely message. Okay, I have planned a game for you. Okay, it's a very small game, and I hope you will like it.
Squid Game.
So, yes, it's a game. Okay, so it's like a guess a dance number. Now, obviously, I can't play a dance number here for you, so I'm gonna tell you some words in English. You need to guess it, the Hindi lyrics. Okay, I'll start with the easiest one. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. कौन सा गाना है?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was
Yeah, I
easy.
thought I'll start with the easy one so it'll be like relax. Okay, I have come to drop lightning. I have come to drop a lightning. They call me air.
बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई.
Oh, yes. Okay, next one. Crossing the 7 seas, I have come behind you. I have come behind you.
7 समंदर पार मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे आई.
Yes, my heart is crazy for my lover. It's like a moth to my fire. I know how to burn in love. It's very hard for you to escape from here. My heart is crazy for my lover.
My heart is crazy for my love. Okay. And then next line.
It's like a moth to my fire. I know how to burn in love. This line should be there. You know how I know how to burn in love. It's very hard for you to escape from here. I know how to burn in love.
प्यार में जलना.
Yeah, correct. आता है मुझको प्यार. I can't sing though. ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना.
दीवाना. Okay.
Yes.
Wow,
Okay,
that was
the
a
next
tough
one. Come, let's walk in the shade. In the shade. Come, let's walk in the shade.
Come, let's walk in the shade.
Shah Rukh Khan song.
हाँ एक एकदम suddenly याद नहीं आ रहा है, but I know what you're talking. वापस से बोलना again.
Come, let's walk in the shade. Come, let's walk in the shade. Come. So हिंदी में क्या होगा come?
Come is आ, चले, छाँव.
Yeah, चल, चल. Shade.
आ चल छाँव में.
चल छैया छैया. Darling, darling, darling. Flowers blossom in the garden when we meet in the desert.
Flowers blossom when we meet. यार ये पता नहीं इतना एक लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन है ना तो इसलिए
बहुत इजी है. आप सोचो सोचो. हेलेन मैम का सॉन्ग है.
वापस से बोलना.
I think Helen is the. Yeah, darling, darling, darling. Flowers blossom in the garden when we meet in the desert.
पिया तू.
Amjad Khan. I think so. My team didn't tell me who was it. महबूबा गुलशन में खिल खिलते हैं. मेरे को लगा इससे ज्यादा क्लू नहीं दे सकती मैं. What's behind your blouse? What behind your blouse?
चोली के पीछे क्या है?
See, I think I left with one. Yeah. Hey, I swayed, I moved, I circled. Oh my mind swayed. Oh my mind circled. It's again Madhuri ma'am song. Hey, I swayed, I moved, I circled. Oh, my mind swayed, my mind circled.
माधुरी जी का सॉन्ग है माइंड सर्कल स्वेड. कौन सा गाना है? Do the step again.
I'm very bad with that. I'm in front of you.
Signature step तो करो गाने का.
Signature step, you know, like okay, it's a Bengali song. चलो, Bengali movie. कुछ शाहरुख भी थे.
बंगाली.
They dressed up in a Bengali because they're.
देवदास का है.
Yes, Devdas का है डोला रे डोला.
Okay.
I think I've asked you all the songs. No, the best one. Yes, for you, my darling, Munni got defamed.
मुन्नी बदनाम. मुन्नी बोला तो खत्म.
Yes, let's end on this one. So you got.
I
all
never
the
thought
points.
when you actually literally translated it, you can't really make out.
Exactly, you know, when you translated our Hindi songs in English,
And translation is so funny.
Exactly, it's really funny. Anyways, thank you so much, you know, Devesh, for coming. Since you were not well and still you got time for us, it means a lot to us. Thank you
My
so
pleasure.
much.
And I just
Thank you.
hope that whatever your channels are and whatever your Insta profiles, I hope you find more followers and a lot of people start
Thank
following
you
you.
so much, and I want you to
say.
I want you to say Celebrity Talks with Kaval.
Celebrity Talks with Kaval. I hope, guys, you watch this show and many such interviews with her because she's lovely and really interesting interviewer. So thanks to you and all the best.
Thank you. And whenever you're visiting Dubai, please do let me know. I would love to host you.
Sure. My pleasure.
Thank
We'll definitely
you.
catch up.
Yes. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you will not miss any new updates. Thank you.